Hello, my friend. This is one of our factory in Guangzhou. Okay, and this one, it is our factory, which produce the summer clothes. Okay, and we just now send out one container to the port, so you can see this goods. These packages are pending loading to the other container. Okay. And this is also pending load to the Madagascar, to our warehouse in Madagascar. Okay, so let's go inside. And this logo is our company logo in Madagascar. And this one is the other company logo here in Madagascar. Suppose I sent to you before. Okay, this is the second container here, and the container size is 40 feet high square.